Another exercise. So today we will be working on the RANKX function. So you can go on the website, you can click on this exercise here and you can download the file from here. I have already downloaded the file, so this is the file. So this is the file. Now let's see what we need to do. So we need to open the Power BI. Okay, we need to add a measure for the RANKX function, not the column, because column would be too easy. So I will be adding one measure here, like here. I will name it as rank, and then we will work on the RANKX function. So we will be using RANKX function for this, where we have a table of series, comma. Our expression would be, we need to find the sum of the viewer, like sum of the viewer where value ascending order, and then skip. Let's check if this is working or not. So I've added this. Now it's giving us 111 for each and everything. Why? Because I think if I take all here and if I just filter this like this, and if I add a calculate function here and remove this, yeah. So by adding calculate here, so we are directly mentioning that do this. So if you see that the highest viewership is on this BBC one, which is 13.85. Now it's on the 8th rank, and if you see, like if I follow, the one rank is for lowest, then highest, then highest, then highest, then highest. So this is how you use the RANKX function to get the ranking from your sum of the viewers or any other thing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.